Hey guys, my name is Thomas. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about Discovery Minerals, ticker symbol DSCR. This one's been pretty hyped up recently, but I wanted to cover it in case you guys wanted to buy in at a low price relative to the potential it could have in the future. There's two short-term catalysts I see for this stock. The first one is them becoming pink current, and the second is that they're looking to create a gold-backed crypto coin, just like AABB. Now, this is definitely far more risky than Asia Broadband since their financials are terrible, which I'll cover shortly, so definitely be careful. And this is not financial advice, but I would only invest in this stock if you think it can overcome a bad share structure and bad financials. If we take a look at the share structure, it definitely isn't optimal. We have 10 billion authorized shares with 6.6 billion outstanding shares, but 1.5 billion of them are owned by insiders, which is a good sign. Now, currently the market cap is approximately $46 million, so I would wait for a bit more of a pullback since this stock has been highly hyped up recently. It seems very overvalued currently in my opinion. The financials do not back up its current valuation, but I could definitely see this thing 5 to 10xing in the next year with some projects that I'll be talking about shortly. Now, I do want to point out that they do have a yield sign right here. And this basically means that they'll be getting pink current soon, which is a nice short-term catalyst. And I believe they just need to file the attorney letter to become pink current since they already filed their financials for Q4 2020. So this is their quarterly report for Q4 2020. We can very obviously see that they have $71,000 in assets, over $1 million in liabilities. And we can see that they were actually operating on a net loss. So this is why I think it's very overvalued currently. And I think it's a lot of hype coming from the announcement of their crypto project because there's actually nothing backing the price right now. If you guys are looking to invest in this company, this right here is super important. Look at note 2, going concern. Feel free to read it for yourself, but I'll try to summarize it for you guys. Basically, it talks about how they had huge net losses. They even said that it brings substantial doubt as to the company's ability to continue operations in the future. And currently, they're actually looking for additional sources of capital to fund short-term operations, and they're super dependent on that. Otherwise, the company might not be able to continue. Okay, so now that we've talked about the bad sides of this company, which are the bad financials as well as the bad share structure, here's the silver lining for this company. There are two big projects that they're looking to work on this year. The first one is that they found a gold mine with a strong indication that there would be close to 400,000 ounces of gold to be mined, and they're looking to conclude negotiations to acquire the mine in the near future and begin their operations by October 2021. Now, if we go to Twitter, we can actually see that they concluded negotiations to purchase that gold mine. So this is really good news for the stock. We can definitely be seeing them mining this 400,000 ounces of gold from there. Now, the second project that I want to talk about is this tweet right here, where they're talking about how they're looking to create and administer a crypto coin. So this is basically what's been driving the recent hype about this stock. Now, if you take a look at AABB, Asia Broadband, they're another company that actually created a crypto token. Now, that crypto token was backed by gold, and this company is looking to do the same thing. So the reason why I compare it is because, we could definitely see a lot of hype from retail investors. I don't know about institutional investors because the financials right now aren't too hot, but we could definitely see a lot of hype once this crypto token actually, or crypto coin actually gets developed and released. So overall, this company has bad financials and a bad share structure, but if they're able to create that gold-backed crypto coin very well, then we could definitely see a run just like AABB. Another thing I want to point out is that AABB already had the gold to actually back the crypto token. Now, this company, on the other hand, will actually be needing to mine it from their recent negotiations of the new gold mine. So if you guys want to invest in this, again, not financial advice, but I would wait until all the hype is over, as a lot of people are buying into this because of the short-term hype. Once the price settles at a lower price, then I would buy and hold until they have the mining operation in production and the crypto coin project is near the final stages of development, which could be a long time away, possibly a year or two out, but I could be wrong about the timeline and they may be able to somehow speed these processes very quickly. But based on the information we have currently, those are my thoughts. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it and want to hear more research and DD on OTC stocks, make sure to subscribe, like this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.